Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 14th till 20th of September, okay? And we'll see what are the tarot messages for you in the coming week. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Cancerians this week. Okay, two more shuffles. One more. One more. Okay. Okay, so what is the situation? The Lovers over here. So this is the general atmosphere around you. This does not has to be a lover only. So it's more about, a decision which is like, which has to be made. Sometimes, is it the right person or is it the right thing where I'm stepping towards? This might be that thing as well. So this is a situation which is happening in your life right now. So what is the issue over here? What is the conflict? The Empress. The Empress is the conflict. Actually, this is something which you are preventing your self-development over here. So you're resisting some kind of a growth, I'm seeing. When love is coming towards you, or a situation of yours is coming towards you by itself, and you basically you're resisting some kind of growth, some kind of love. You don't want it to happen. It's your wish. It's you who is actually, in the situation. But I'm seriously seeing that you are actually resisting a very good opportunity. Good, might be a lover, might be a person in your life whom you are actually resisting. So let's see. The Foundation. Seven of Pentacles. This is the foundation of a situation. Basically, you don't want to see this situation. See, this is the growth, and this is also the card of growth as well, and this is the card as well. So this is something with the Seven of Pentacles over here. You are actually, you don't want to look at a situation. See, things really take time. If it is a relationship, if it is a business, if it is anything, if it's your personal growth as well, so it take time. Things, they do take time, and you are actually, you don't want to give it time. You just want to be an instant noodle, really. Yeah, you want that today I will plant this tree, I will plant a seed, and tomorrow you want a mango tree out of that little seed. So this is something you really are resisting. You are resisting that, time. It takes time, actually, if whatever thing you are in. Past. Ace of Pentacles. Your past situation, some kind of a very stable offer came towards you, but I'm seeing that it might be a love offer because it is with the Lovers in your present scenario. So this is much likely that it was a stable offer which came towards you in the past, but it looks like you said no towards it. You said no. You said no to a growth, I'm seeing. You said no to a love situation, but it was really good. Okay, what's in your mind? 10 of Cups. This is something which you actually are aware of. This is, that you resisted something which you already knew that this is the person, this is that situation which I always wanted. This is the Happy Family card. You know that, but you do not want to give time to that thing. things, they do take time. Whatever this thing is, it takes time, but it is the happy family card. This is the 10. 10 is the completion. See how the family is so happy, 2 kids, husband, wife. So you are resisting this change, you are resisting this happiness which is coming towards you. Let's see what's your future energy saying. Page of Swords. So more resistance, more saying no to a particular thing. You are you are somebody who over here who is actually, this is more of a communicating energy where you want to communicate. I'm seeing that you really want to connect, to communicate, but something is actually a problem over here. You are not ready. Let's see, let's really clarify this. How you see yourself, the Emperor. You see yourself as the person who has some kind of rules and regulations, some beliefs in your life. There are some things, there are some boundaries which you have actually made yourself. So this is that boundary card, which I will not cross this boundary, I will not do this, I will not do that. You have made it yourself. This is something like that. This is that stubborn energy of the Emperor, that saying no, saying that this is my way or highway. This is that energy where you are being the stubborn, you are being the bad person, because you are the one who is not letting change happen, who is not letting growth happen in your life. How people see you. People see you as 3 of Pentacles. People see you as a very determined person who is, like work wise also you are very determined. People see you as someone who is who loves his or her work, who is involved with other, who is involved with people around him or her. It's more about that partnership feeling, where you really want to talk to people around you. You are more into, basically this is more about your work situation. People see you as a very determined person, and who really wants to get success in his or her life. This is how people see you. So fears, anxieties, fear of being left out. So you have a feeling inside. So I got it. So why you are resisting this growth, why you do not want to enter in a very stable, if this is a relationship you do not want to enter, if this is anything, whatever this thing is, you don't want to enter because of a feeling of being left alone. When you are left alone, you are left in the cold, people just leave you, and you start developing trust issues. So that is the feeling, that is the fear over here. This is something which you are really fearing. The final outcome, the Devil. Okay, so this is what you will gain from the experience. This is the result of the path you are taking. This is the result is not good. See, if we actually see, this is a very beautiful reading. I just don't need to clarify any cards, just the Page of Swords. But this reading is very clear, Cancer. It's like you are leading towards a place, you are leading towards a situation which has no ending. You are yourself resisting a good change. Whatever is happening, if someone is actually offering you a love offer, if someone is giving you a job offer, if you are, so whatever the situation is, it's your story. I don't know that. So it's more about that you are resisting this change, you are resisting the growth. This is the good change which is coming in your life, and you are yourself resisting it. And this will happen if you will resist it. If you will resist the good people, the bad will come again. That is why this is the path, this is the result which is going to come. So this is your decision at the end, because the Lovers as the first card and the Devil as the last card, you know what it means. It's like leaving a good situation and entering into a temporary situation. This is permanent and this is temporary. So it's up to you, your life, your decisions. Who am I to say? Okay, so just think about it. I just want to clarify this Page of Swords once. Why this Page of Swords is in Cancer's future energy, why the future card is Page of Swords. Page of Cups with the Eight of Wands. Okay, so I get it that it's like, some kind of a communication which is actually coming towards you. I'm really getting that, this offer which you already resisted is coming towards you again. It might come towards you again. So this time it will be your decision now, because it will be instant, it will be for a short period of time. If now it will be, if now it will, if you say no to this thing, it will never come back again, might be. So it's your life, your decisions, your rules, whatever you would love to hear, whatever you would love to listen. This is something which is actually whatever you want to do with it. Okay, so that's all, Cancers. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.